As a media professional who has entered this industry from a very young age, studying this MBA has transformed my mindset and the way that I think about the world. One of the things that I really valued about AUIS was learning alongside a group of professionals from diverse backgrounds. Through exchanges that we had in the classroom, the group projects, and our discussions, I was challenged to think beyond my own experiences. From an industry that makes you think politics is the center of everything, now I understand that how much the businesses, corporations, branding, and marketing affect everyone's life in this world. Pursuing this MBA has made me a better professional. If you're also a professional who wants to be more confident in what you do and make a change, I strongly encourage you to apply.